This is a quick tutorial on how to find the Quarter 4 Extended Day Activities form in Alma. Go to cityacademyschool.getalma.com, log in with your username, password. Once on the home screen, you should see your students' names. Find the student you will be filling the form out for. Underneath their name should be a tab that says Alma Start Forms and Tasks. Click. It will take you to Alma Start, where all of our forms are. Find your student on the left-hand side. Make sure they're listed at the top. And to get started on the form, hit Begin New Process. Select the school year. We are still in the 22-23 school year for quarter 4, so click 22-23. Make sure you're clicking the grade of your student. Beatrice is a 3rd grader, which is why it defaulted to 3rd grade. The form should populate. Once it's populated, make sure the application year is correct, the grade level is right. Click Select, and then you can start filling out the form. Make sure the information in the student bio info is correct. If there's any additional information that needs to be added or fixed, completed, please go ahead and make those changes. On the extended day activity choices, you will rank your child's top 3 choices. Please make sure that you are not picking the same thing. The real form will have more complete descriptions for you to look at, as well as the days and times they're meeting. Once this is completed, hit complete. Then at the end, don't forget to hit submit. Once you've submitted the document, you are done.